Today we'll discuss about quadratic equation. This is another part of application of mathematical physics. Now, first we write an expression, say ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now you solve this equation. Power of x is 2. Power of x is 2. Therefore, the solution of x also 2 values. Now we solve the equation. First, we write the expressions x square plus bx plus c equals to 0. X is a variable, a, b and c be a constant. A is common, x square plus b by a into x plus c by a equals to 0. Then we write x square plus 2a b by 2a. Just to observe, b by a into x, that is bx by a. 2 into bx by 2a means bx by a plus b by 2a whole square, the extra part, minus b by 2a square, subtract from this equation, plus c by a equals to 0. For the first 3 terms, we write simply x plus b by 2a whole square equals to b square by 4a square minus c by a. Then you can write 4a square be the LCM, b square minus 4ac. Now you write x plus b by 2a, square root of both sides, plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Therefore, x equals to minus b by 2a plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. You can write the simplified form of this equation, x equals to LCM is 2a minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac. The two solution of this equation, x1 equals to minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. You can write this is alpha, one of the root of this equation, and another equation of this root is x2 minus b minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a equals to beta. The two solution of this equation, alpha and beta, and this expression is called Sridhar Acharya's formula. Now we calculate the summation of two root. That means alpha plus beta equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a for alpha, plus beta means minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. 2a be the LCM. 2a be the LCM of these equations. If you write the expression, that is minus b plus b square minus 4ac, then minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac. Therefore you can write minus 2b by 2a, or also write minus b by a. This is a very important expression for summation of two root. You can write in this way. What is b? B means coefficient of x by what is a? Coefficient of x square. It's a very important form of summation of two roots, that is alpha plus beta. Another form is this equations alpha into beta, that is multiplication of two roots. What is alpha? Minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac into minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac. If this minus is common, then you write a plus b into a minus b. That means just you write for both the expressions, here, for both the expressions 2a is there. This is 2a, this also 2a. If minus is common, minus b just to observe the expressions, minus b, you can write first You can write first minus, say, minus b is minus is common, b plus root over b square minus 4ac into root over of b square minus 4ac minus b whole divided by 2a into 2a is 4a square. Then you can write for this expression a plus b into a minus b, b square minus 4ac whole square. This minus is there, minus b square by 4a square, or you write minus b square minus 4ac minus b square by 4a square, or simply 4ac by 4a square, or c by a. That is multiplication of these two root is c by a. Therefore, you can write in this way alpha into beta, the multiplication of two roots. C means the constant term of the expression, by coefficient of x square. Say we can solve an equation, say 6x square plus 5x plus 1 equals to 0. 6x square plus 5x plus 1 equals to 0. If we compare these expressions with the Sridhar-Acharya formula, just you write ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, a equals to 6, b equals to 5, c equals to 1. Therefore, you can write alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, that is minus 5 by 6. Clear? And alpha beta equals to c by a. What is c? 1 by 6. Now, say we can write the expression in this way: alpha minus beta whole square, simply alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Now we can find the value of alpha minus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta means simply minus 5 by 6 whole square minus 4 into 1 by 6. Then you can write 25 by 36 minus 4 by 6, simply 25 minus 24 by 36, 1 by 36, Therefore, alpha plus beta, now we can take only the positive value, that is 1 by 6. Oh, sorry, this is alpha minus beta. This is alpha minus beta equals to 1 by 6. And another value, alpha plus beta equals to minus 5 by 6. If you calculate both the value, 2 alpha equals to minus 4 by 6, that is minus 2 by 3, or alpha equals to minus 1 by 3, and beta equals to minus 5 by 6 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, then you can write 6 with the LCM, minus 5 plus 2, that is minus 3 by 6 minus half. You just calculate in this way all the root of this equation. This is the simple part of quadratic equation as per requirement. We are applied on the first part of physics, that is mechanics. Today we will complete the basic part of quadratic equation. On coming class we will discuss about the basic part of binomial theorem. Binomial theorem is mainly applicable on gravitation. Binomial theorem. On coming class we will discuss about binomial theorem, the basic part of algebraic mathematics, that is called binomial theorem. Okay, now we can close the today's class.